Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys keyboard lag problem solve setting, how to solve keyboard lag hanging problem. As you have any problem in your keyboard and you want to solve your keyboard problem, so how to solve keyboard problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. In your oppo mobile friends, open your phone app management setting. After on friends app management setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. Friends, click here app list setting, and friends wait here. And friends scroll it, and friends find your friends gboard setting, and friends click on gboard. After friends gboard, click here storage setting, and friends clear data your gboard. After clear guys your gboard data friends, come back friends. Now you can check your keyboard hanging lag problem will solve. And friends your theme will remove, theme will set default theme automatic, and friends again you will have to set up your keyboard. And friends if you click three dot friends, you can see floating keyboard you want to use, so you can use floating keyboard. And friends you want to use one hand mode keyboard, so you can on. So friends click here theme option friends, which theme do you like guys, select your theme, apply here, your theme will change keyboard theme. And friends you want to add any photo on your keyboard, so friends again select your photos. After select photos, adjust your photo, next option, increase brightness, done option, and guys photo will add on your keyboard. And passive keyboard voice tapping problem is solved. After on mobile network you can use your keyboard voice tapping. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.